Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the monthly readings. This is going to be for the month of February 2021. I'm going to start the reading for the sign of Pisces. I have already pulled out the oracle cards, but I will be taking out the tarot in front of the cam. So I haven't checked these cards, so just wanted to pull different, cards from different decks. So that's why I pulled it off cam for every sign. Now I will be adding tarot with every sign as I move along with every sign. I'll be pulling out the tarot cards on cam. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's see what is coming up for my fishies for this month of February 2021, which is going to start in a few days time, in a couple of days time in fact. Today I'm recording this video on the night of 29th. So yeah, let's see what is coming up. Let's see for my fishies what is happening in the month of February 2021. Let's begin with the tarot. I will include these oracle cards as we move along. Let's begin. What can my fishies expect for themselves in the month of February? Let's begin. Judgment. I just see you praying, wishing, hoping, waiting for the divine time when it comes to your, love life, other areas of your life as well. I feel like, you will be using all the tools and techniques that you ever know to manifest what you want, to manifest the desires of your life, be that in love life, work life, home life situation. You will be pretty much connected to your God that you believe in, because I feel like, for majority of you, you might have already surrendered what you desire to the God that you believe in. For the others of you, I feel like, you will be doing that as you enter into the month of February. You would be surrendering to the divine to bring forth what you desire, having full and complete faith in the God that you believe in. But yes, you will have that routine of either connecting to your God every day, be that meditating, be that, praying, be that affirming some positive statements, but you will be staying connected to your God that you believe in as you enter into the month of February. Let's see more cards here. Ooh, Ace of Cups. Somebody's really wishing for some sort of a positive step ahead in their love life. Somebody's really waiting for some sort of a miracle in their love life. You would be hoping, wishing, and praying for this one miracle in your love life for sure, is what I'm picking up. Let's see, are you going to get this miracle? Queen of Pentacles. For all of you who are feeling confident about themselves, um, who value themselves, who love themselves, they will be able to get their miracle. They will be able to receive their miracle. Hold on. So yeah, I do see for those of you who value themselves, who love themselves, who always put themselves on the top list for themselves, like on top priority, you will be the one receiving this miraculous miraculous love offer coming your way. Be that coming from a specific someone, be that somebody new, be that having your wish granted regarding your love life. Whatever it is that you desire, you have a strong chance of getting it, especially for those of you who have confidence in themselves, who believe in their God, who believe in the power of their love, who believe in their love that they have for a specific someone, who are very confident that yes, they will get what they have asked for, who will not have a single negative thought around their love life situation. They will be getting the miraculous love coming their way, be that coming from a specific someone or somebody new as well. Let's see more cards here. Seven of Swords, Man of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. You will be with your life partner this month, in the month of February. Underneath the deck, woo, for Wands, yep. I do see that. For majority of you, I feel like it's gonna be somebody from your past, somebody that you are going to keep. You might have been going on and off with this person because with the Seven of Swords energy, it seems like maybe you have been praying, oh my God, please bring me my life partner, bring me the one that I am destined to be with. Every time you make that prayer, there is just one name, one person that keeps popping in your head, And I feel like, it's more of every time you connect to your God, every time you ask for your life partner, there is just one image that you can see, and that person is somebody from the past. For majority of you, like for 90% of you, I do see that this person is going to be somebody from the past that you would be secretly wishing and hoping for. Even if you are looking, or even if you are praying for your, for some sort of a miraculous thing happening in your love life, you would be deep down connecting your heart to that person from the past, is what I'm picking up. You would be taking care of yourself. I do see you feeling very confident. You would be working on yourself a lot when it comes to your financial stability, when it comes to your grooming, when it comes to your mental stability, when it comes to you keeping your life balance. I do see you doing all of that. I do see you getting your life partner too in the month of February 2021. For some of you, you might be, wishing and hoping, I wish my person, proposes me on Valentine's Day. Maybe that's going to be coming through around, that time as well. The love offer, the movement forward, the message, the communication. It's going to happen miraculously. Now, it's very important for you to understand here one thing. It's going to happen for only those of you who are positive, one thing, who are confident, two thing, who are so sure that it is going to happen, that they have left it all, surrendered it all to the God that they believe in. If you have a single fearful thought, single fearful doubt, it's not happening for you. It's happening for all those fishies out there who have strong faith in their love, prayers, affirmations. Start using affirmations if you haven't started that yet. Keep believing in the fact that yes, this person, whoever it is that you truly desire, love, they are coming forward to offer you a cup of love as well. So that's what I'm picking up for my fishes. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Let's start with the color card first. Cyan, build your confidence, number 35. For some of you, you could be age 35, or the person that you are dealing with could be 35 as well. This shade of blue is going to be very lucky for you. Try to build your confidence again. Like I said, I feel like, for majority of you, you will be very confident already. But if you have lack of confidence, if you have lack of self-esteem, you really need to work on that. Start building yourself, or boosting your confidence. Whatever makes you feel good, whatever makes you confident, whatever makes you feel positive about yourself, do those things. Add or incorporate those activities in your life which makes you feel good about yourself. Workout, grooming, having a balanced diet, having a balanced lifestyle, healthy lifestyle. Do the things that would make you feel light and happy. So it adds to your confidence, so it adds to the positivity that you hold for yourself in your life as well. Let's see more cards here. Look inside yourself. Examine what is causing you feel this way. Whatever it is that you are, feeling unhappy about. I feel for majority of you, it's all stemming with the lack of confidence. I do see that you will be working towards your financial stability, plus your confidence that comes along with you taking good care of yourself. So try to work on the things that make you feel bad about yourself. Whatever it is, whatever triggers negative emotions, work on those things so you become more confident in your own skin. So you become the magnet to the love that you desire in your life, rather you chasing a person and begging them for their attention. You will be the magnet to them. You will be attracting them towards you once you start working on yourself, once you start feeling confident about yourself as well. If I say that to you right now, sitting here when you're watching this video, if I tell you, just imagine that you are the only person that your person desires, how would you feel? You would feel confident. You would feel like, every time you look yourself in the mirror, you would imagine your person, looking at you from a side, or, secretly admiring you, or admiring your smile and stuff like that. Now, start thinking those thoughts, happy thoughts. Every time you think of your person, have that kind of attitude towards yourself, where your person is getting attracted to you, rather you chasing them and they're running away from you. The moment you start doing or incorporating these kind of small little changes in your attitude towards yourself, the person that you love or that you chase right now will start chasing you. Let's see more cards here. Beloved one, I am helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. Whoever it is that you're really wishing and hoping and praying for, like I said, you will be with your life partner in the month of February 2021. The angels will be helping you, guiding you now. So ask, pray, affirm, believe that yes, whoever it is that you want, whoever it is that you desire, they desire you equally and mutually. Have that firm faith, have that prayer made to your God that you believe in, so it becomes your reality in the month of February as well. Let's see more cards here. Clear your space, get rid of clutter, clear the energy around you, and use feng shui. It's very important for you to make some space for the person that you desire to have in your life. What are the things that you would be doing if they were in your life? Would you be taking care of yourself? Yes, you would be. Would you be taking care of your hygiene? Yes, you would be. What are the other things that you would be incorporating in your life if you had your life partner in your life? Start doing those things. Be the new you that you desire to see yourself with your specific someone. The moment you become the future you, this quick you will have your person in your life. Let's see more cards here. The end of tough cycle approaches. The tough cycle that you had in your life is finally coming to an end. Start feeling good, positive, excited about your love life and the changes that are coming in your life right now. Experience some newness coming from within, so it gets you where you want to be. Gratitude. Try offering gratitude for all that you do, for all that you have right now as well. Start feeling good for what you truly desire to come your way. As you act as you make some space for your future you, start giving gratitude for having the person back in your life, gratitude for having them committed to you, gratitude for having them propose to you. Already give gratitude for the things that you really want to happen for yourself, so you be in that receptive energy to have it all in your life. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for my fishes for the month of February 2021. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.